Good morning, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to SE Lifestyle. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called SE Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Part of having a good lifestyle for me is keeping my home clean, honey. So this video is going to be a clean with me. It's actually going to be a kitchen clean with me. So in this video, I will only be focusing on my kitchen. I'm going to share some of my favorite products that I clean with in my kitchen with you guys. So if you are interested in some cleaning motivation, then keep watching. Okay, lifestyle lovers, today is Sunday, so I'm just pretty much, rolling out of bed, getting myself together. I'm going to go ahead and open the curtains to bring some natural light into the kitchen area, and then I'm going to get started cleaning. Okay, the first thing that I'm going to go ahead and start with is the dishes. I just prefer to go ahead and get the kitchen sink cleaned out first, get the dishes cleared away, and then I can move on to other areas of the kitchen. Dawn dish soap is what I use to wash my dishes, and I always add a little capful of bleach to my dishwater. What I do is just typically sit the trash out on the patio and allow my son to take it out when he gets out of school. That's one of his chores. After the dishes are all washed up and put away, I'll go in and sanitize my countertops using some Clorox wipes. I am using the Members Mark brand from Sam's Club. I just had a few left in the container and I wanted to go ahead and use them up. Okay, lifestyle lovers, moving on to my stove, which definitely needs a good cleaning. I am going to use the Ceramabryte Cleaning Kit, which includes the cleaner. It also has 2 cleaning pads, a cooktop scraper, and the grip pad tool in which you insert the scraper. I ordered this off Amazon. It is great for cleaning glass top stoves. So if you are interested in this, I will link it in the description box. Okay, moving on to my microwave. If you have ever seen one of my cleaning videos, then you know how I feel about a clean microwave. I pretty much believe that if your microwave is nasty, your kitchen is not clean. So I try to make sure every time I clean the kitchen, I am thoroughly cleaning my microwave. If it's not that dirty, then I like to wipe it out. And I do use some harsh chemicals when cleaning the microwave. As you can see, I am using the Clorox cleaner with bleach because we use the microwave pretty much on a daily basis most days. Okay, moving on to my cabinetry. I had to pull my ladder out for this one because you guys know I am short. I am using the Method Good for Wood Daily Clean and the almond scent. And I only have a little bit left, so I am going to have to go in with the Pledge lemon scent. But this is what I'm going to use to wipe my cabinetry down, give it a good shine, and get rid of the dust. Moving on to my stainless steel appliances, I am using the Weimans stainless steel wipes, and I find that these wipes work best when you use them first and then you go behind them with either a paper towel or a microfiber cloth. Moving on to my glass items in my kitchen and dining area. This is the first time that you have seen me use this glass cleaner on camera, but this will not be the last. This is for industrial and commercial use. I purchased this glass cleaner from a company called Lee and Kate's Glass here in Jacksonville, where I purchased my cut glass for my nightstands, and it works better than anything I have ever used. They do have it for sale in their store, so I will be purchasing more. I do not know how much it is because this particular can was given to me when I purchased my cut glass. Okay, lifestyle lovers, moving on to the floors, I am using my LG Cord Zero cordless vacuum cleaner to vacuum the floors, and then I'll move on to mopping the floors. I am using the Cedar microfiber bucket and cleaning system. It does have a pedal on the side that pretty much spins the mop and wrings all of the water out. To mop the floors, I am using the Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaner in the Gain scent. Okay, lifestyle lovers, now I'm going to spray my countertops down in the Caldrea Countertop Spray. The scent that I'm using is the Gilded Balsam Birch scent. It smells so good, and this is not to disinfect the countertops as I did that earlier. This is simply to add additional fragrance throughout the kitchen. If you have seen any one of my Clean With Me's, you know this is one of my staple products. It is the Tide Fabric Antibacterial Spray. And just like that, lifestyle lovers, my kitchen is spotless. There is nothing like having a clean kitchen. Heck, there's nothing like having a clean house, but I'll just take the kitchen for now and work on the rest of the house later. I hope you enjoyed this Clean With Me, lifestyle lovers. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.